All right, so I accidentally drilled a hole or a couple holes in my floor for a different project, and I ended up buying these universal repair kits. So what these are things that they usually have some sort of wood putty or something that's kind of like clay that you would fill in to a hole, and then they have a way to make them a certain color. So I'm going to be reviewing two of the ones that I've tried, and that hopefully helps you see which one's better for you to use. Okay, so the first one I tried is called Robert's Universal Repair Kit. And how it works is that they provide you with this chart, and you pick whichever one is the closest to the color of the item that you're trying to fix. And then it tells you how many parts or how much of the different colors that it provides that you should mix, and they're already in a little putty, and how much of this you should mix to get your desired color. So this was super easy to use, and I thought it worked well until I decided that I wanted to try to repair the hole in my floor. And when I went to open the neutral, brand new kit, went to open the neutral, rock solid. So I was pretty frustrated about that. So I was pretty pleased until this. So hopefully if you order it, that does not happen to you. All right, so when I went to fill the hole in my floor, as you know, I was frustrated because the other kit wasn't able to help me with it. So I ordered a different kit because I thought it'd be kind of stupid for me to order the same one and hope that the neutral wouldn't be rock solid. So I decided, okay, let's give another kit a try. So it has the same sort of concept, you pick the color you want, and then it tells you, it gives you a rough idea of which of the many that it provides for you to mix. As you can tell, the difference with this one is that these are paints. So where the other one was, you were basically mixing things that were already different colored putties. These, you mix the paints to get the color you want, and then afterwards you mix that with the putty. So both, they have different ways to come to the color putty that you want. What I did find with this one though is when you don't necessarily need to have that putty, if it's just a scratch and you just need to paint over it or something, that obviously this one is nicer because you can just mix the paints. I went to build a kitchen storage cabinet, and when I cut it, I didn't realize oh wow, this natural wood is going to be showing when the rest is this barn wood, and that's going to look weird. So I was actually able to mix these to a color that matched perfectly with that project. So I would say overall this one is the winner because it is more universal in the sense that you can mix it with a putty if you need to fill in a hole. But if you're just covering a scratch or something like that, then you could still use it because it's just paints. So out of the two, I recommend this one, but it was a little bit harder to mix in the paint with the putty. So if you are just doing something that is a simple mix, mixing the putties was pretty easy for the last project. So if you don't see yourself needing to paint scratches or anything like that, then maybe the other one is better for you.